Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I improve my eyesight naturally. If I could do it, you can improve your vision also. In this video, I would like to share with you 3 skills to improve your eyesight without spectacles. First skill to learn is to feel eye fatigue and tiredness of eye muscles. For example, you work on the laptop or read some news and it causes some stress, and due to this, eye muscle gets strained. Even if the eyes didn't get tired, due to some uncomfortable situation, eyes get strained. You need to learn to feel this eye muscle tension and immediately give relaxation to your eyes. Walk for 5 minutes to relieve eye muscle tension, or breathe the fresh air outside, or just close your eyes and relax. Second skill to learn is to get a habit of listening to meditation for facial muscle relaxation, and any other meditation to relax before going to sleep for around 3 months. If you relieve all tension from your body before sleep, your eyes will recover much more efficiently. In relaxed eyes, better blood flow and nutrients digestion, and much better than in squeezed spasmodic eyes, where all small capillaries are squeezed and eye muscles are not working and not pumping blood through the eyes properly. If any muscle of the face is tense, it will tense the eye muscles, because everything in our body is interconnected. By the way, if you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy. Don't miss the discount. The link will be in the description below. Third skill to learn is correct blinking. Blinking is one of the ways to refresh tired eyes. The retina needs rest, especially when we look at the screen. So you need to develop a habit of blinking every second to reduce digital eye strain on your eyes. In the moment of blinking, retina gets rest and doesn't get tired that fast. Plus, when a person blinks and looks at a far distance, eyes can switch distances, relax eye muscles and refocus. Just with the skill of blinking every second, you can improve your eyesight naturally. Subscribe to my channel and check out the video meditation to relax facial muscles and improve eyesight. It will help you to learn how to relax facial muscles. See you.